I'm gonna put you on game. You see, if you're doing a budget friendly driveway like this, right? You do the cleanup, whatever. You gotta cut all this shit out. Of course, you don't want, you want to do a good product, more or less. And then over there, we had to take out all those bricks. See the sides, concrete to hold it in place. They say concrete cracks, but everything cracks. Everybody has different means and methods. But look, one thing is, you see how the border goes all the way around? We had to do the same thing over there. That's quality. You know, we did what we can. We're landscapers, bro. We're not paving guys. But look, let me show you something. This right here, the ceiling right here, you get this at Home Depot. It's called Supreme Seal by the brand is Eagle. That shit right there is gonna run you about 150, 160 with taxes, whatever. But what I'm trying to tell you guys, this is sand. We put sand, you know, obviously. Anyways, what I'm trying to tell you guys is that something like this, bro, you're looking at about 3 grand. Pressure washing, sealing, fixing that, removing that, about 3 grand. But I mean, I know people that charge more than that. So this is a little bit more budget friendly. That's why you can't use crazy, you know, shit. And then over there we're cutting concrete. That's what the noise is. But yeah, this is why you can't. And you see that little piece over there too. We also did that concrete section over there. So, you know, budget friendly. Stop recording.